Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you'd be fine. Today in this lesson we are going to learn some sentences about present perfect simple using the words like for, since and some time adverbials like all my life, lately, so far and such. Okay, so watch the video till the end. Do not skip the video or you are going to miss the important points. So here we have been provided with a conversation between an interviewer and Brett, and we are going to find out which ones of the given options are the correct using these sentences. Okay, so let's begin our today's lesson. But before that, let me discuss some important points related to the words for, since and time adverbials, where to use them and how to use them. When it comes to for and since, we use these simple sentences with for and since to talk about a present situation that began at a specific point in the past and is still going on in the present. Okay, so we have two types of past tense: the past tense that has been completed in the past, but in some situations some of the job that has been started in the past at a specific point in the past, but it is still going on, it has not yet finished, then we are going to use these words for and since. But there is a slight difference between the two, where we have to use for and where we have to use since. So there are some of the key points that you should remember. We use for to show amount of time, that is the time span. Complete time span is described with the word for. But for the word since, it shows when an event is started. Okay, for example, I have known Mariam for 6 years. So 6 years is a time span. There is no starting, no ending with 6 years, but I am telling about the time span, the amount of time, the period of time is described in this phrase, this 6 years. So we are going to use for prior to it. But when it comes to the same sentence using I have known Mariam since 2015, this is the starting point where we met each other or we came to know about each other. So here I am going to use since before 2015. Okay, so this is a slight difference that we have to account for using these words for and since. And there are a few examples I'm going to share with you. For a few days, for ages, for a long time, for half an hour, for 2 years, for about a month. So here we have been provided with the amount of time, the time span. So we are going to use the word for. But the examples for since are since last year. Last year is the starting point. So we are going to use since here. Since June 8, date and month are mentioned. So we are going to use since. Similarly, since September, the starting month is September. Since 1993. So starting point could be a year, could be a month, could be a day, could be some point of hour or minutes. It could be anything. Or since I was 9, I know her since I was 9. Or I missed you since you left your school. Since 6 o'clock. Since he has grown, I last saw him. So here we are going to use the word since. I hope students it's clear where to use since and where to use for. And if still it's something is unclear, you can ask me in the comment section. And please, if you like the video, please hit the like button, do share it with your friends. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe it. Okay, acha. Now we have three adverbial time adverbials like so far, lately and all my life used in these dialogues. So far means until now, up till now. At which point are we standing right at the moment? Okay, so this we use for the situations where we are asked about something that is related to that how much of the work has been completed. Where are you standing right now? Okay, so this is for the situations where something has been started in the past but is continued in the present, and we are asking about how much of the work has been completed. Okay, then we have a word lately. It is just similar to the word recently, and it is opposite of early, which means not too long ago. Recently means something in the very near past, but when it comes to lately, it means not too long ago, somewhat close to the present. Okay, so lately is only used in present perfect tense, but recently could be used in every sentence. So this is the major difference between the two. And it is used in the situations which started a short time ago, or not too long ago. It means the same. Okay, and then we have the third phrase, all my life. For example, I have been doing this all my life, something that we have been engaged throughout the life or for a very long time. So it is described in the situations where we are doing on something of our interest. Okay, so now let's begin with the sentences. For example, interviewer, I'd like to talk to you about your new film which tells the story of Alexander the Great. So this is the interviewer asking some questions to Mr. Brett. So what did Mr. Brett reply? Mr. Brett said, yes, I've been interested in his story all my life or lately, and I have wanted to make this film for or since a very long time. So what would be suitable here, all my life or lately? Lately means not too long ago. If somebody is making a film, it means that he have been interested in the very subject for a long time. So here this phrase all my life is suitable, so we are going to choose this one. Yes, I've been interested in his story all my life, that is, I'm engaged in this one for a very long time, and I have wanted to make this film for a very long time, because the time span has been provided here and no starting point is mentioned, so we are going to use this for a very long time. So the interviewer proceed, I know you have been in Greece last week. Okay, students, let me make it very clear to you that these are both used in past tense. Okay, not past tense, but we use this helping verb for the past tense and have been in the present perfect tense. This is the major difference of the use of these two. But how we are going to find out that which is more suitable here? So if you see, we have been provided with the time span. So the sentences of present perfect highlights the time span, either the starting point or the time span. When we are given with the time span, we are going to use this have been or has been in the helping verb. Okay, so I know you have been in Greece last week, and no, not the helping verb were. I know you were in Greece. If it was the sentence like I know you were in Greece, full stop, then it was the suitable one. But here we have been provided with the time span, so we are going to use I know you have been in Greece last week. Okay, have you finished? Did you finish filming it? So if the sentence is in present perfect tense, then its interrogative would start with have you finished filming it? Okay, that is, have the procedure of filming it come to an end or not? No, we didn't. When the question is in present perfect tense, the answer would be in the same, that is, no, we haven't. We have shot about half of it. That is, it is in continuation, something that has started in the past but not yet completed. So we are going to use the helping verb of present perfect, which is has or has not. We have shot about half of it lately or so far, because what he has asked, have you finished? So he is trying to ask, at which point are you right now? Okay, so which one is suitable? This so far. We have shot about half of it so far. That is, we have completed half of the filming until now. We are standing right at the moment to the half of the film. It's taken over 3 months already. That is, 3 months have gone, but so far lately the weather has been really bad, so we haven't been able to do much filming. But so far, no. But lately, that is recently, what we have came across, the weather has been really bad. The weather has been really bad, so we haven't been able to do much filming. Who else is in the film? Now he is asking about the cast. Gina Langton plays the part of Lanik, young Alexander's nurse. So he is telling about the nurse of Alexander, that is the part of his cast. I have known Gina since or for drama school. Drama school is the starting point. It was somewhere it got started. It is not the time span. It is not continued up till now. So we will use for drama school or since drama school. When the starting point has been provided, we use this since. So since drama school, what we are going to say? Gina Langton plays the part of Lanik, young Alexander's nurse. I have known Gina since drama school, since this starting point. So it's great to work with her again. And how do you like spending so much time away? Well, I love Greece, but I haven't been home since June. Again, this is the starting point, so we are going to use since June, so it can be quite tiring. Well, thanks a lot for talking to us. So students, here we have completed with this interview and the discussion of present perfect simple tenses using these prepositions for and since and the adverbial time phrases like these three: all my life, lately, and so far. So I hope you liked the video. Please hit the like button. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Take care. Allah Hafiz.